Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Here is Rema Healthy Way, your home of healthy recipes. Thank you for clicking on this video. So my returning subscribers, you're warmly welcome, and if you're a new viewer, you are welcome. Guys, in today's video I have on my recipe table fish, and this fish is called bonito. So we are going to fry bonito fish. All right, so here I have my already prepared bonito, and I am going to cleanse this with some lemon juice.
Wow. Pretty girl don't do soup, he don't do soup, oh, Rema healthy way. Rema healthy way. Rema healthy way. It's making my life healthy with berries, healthy.
So guys, the next thing is to add some salt. I am also going to add some fish seasoning. So I have with me here two different kinds of fish seasoning, and that is what I am going to use. So using my hand, I want to make sure that my fish is well seasoned, okay?
Homemade smoothies, cutie, smoothies, making Ghanaian dishes, building natural beauty, making fertility boosting, smoothies, berries, go there for your table, cutie, doing natural things, doing natural things. Daniels on the beat.
After which, I'm going to keep this in the fridge for about 5 minutes. So then in my bowl, I am going to add some cornstarch, some fish seasoning, and also black pepper. You can as well use white pepper, and it's also perfect.
Wow.
So now my fish is ready, and this is how it's looking at this point. So since I'm not going in for too much cornstarch, I just don't want to stain my oil. I may use it to fry another fish or something like this. So and me personally don't like too much cornstarch on my fish. Sometimes I don't use it at all. So to avoid staining your oil, you can as well just use a little bit of cornstarch anytime you try to use it to fry your fish at home. It is very important. So in my oil, I'm going to add some onions, okay, which is also very important. It gives your fish a very good smell, and it also gives it a great taste. It also helps your oil not to take or absorb too much smell from your fish. As time goes on, I am going to take out my onions because I don't want it to stain my oil. Now, when to know that my fish is ready to be turned, I just realized that it's turned golden brown from below, and it communicates a lot that the fish is ready to be turned.
Berries, healthy, homemade, smoothies, cutie, smoothies.
I'm loving this golden brown color already.
Making Ghanaian dishes, building natural beauty, making fertility boosting, smoothies, berries, go there for your table, cutie, doing natural things, doing natural things. Daniels on the beat. Wow. Who say woman no dey cook, oh? Woman no dey cook, oh. Pretty girl don't do soup.
So now my fish is done, and I am going to take them off the oil. So guys, this is my bonito fish, and it's looking so beautifully, and I really love the color, so yummy. And I want to say a very big thank you for sharing and liking and commenting on my videos. So if you haven't done that already, what are you waiting for? Just click on that like if you like this video and you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to share. If you haven't subscribed already, click on that subscribe button. So until I come your way again next time, see you in my next video. Bye.